Hello kids, in today's class we are going to start with the next exercise 7D and hope you have done the homework of exercise 7C. So let's start with the first question here. Define the like and unlike fraction and give examples of each. So we know what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions. Question number 1. Like fractions are the fractions which have same denominator. Okay. Like fractions are the fractions which have same denominators like 2 by 7, 9 by 7, 6 by 7. All of them, they have common denominator. So they are called like fractions. Now similarly we have unlike fractions. They are the fractions which do not have same denominator. Unlike fractions. Example 2 by 7, 4 by 6, 1 by 9, 5 by 13, right? All of them, the denominators are different. So they are unlike fractions, right? Now, the first one is done. Second is the convert 1 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 12 and 13 by 24 into like fractions. So kids, we have learned this, that how we have to make them as like fractions. What we are going to do, we are going to find the LCM of all the given denominators so that the denominators of every fraction become same, and then we are going to simplify them. So question number 2, we have 1 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 12 and 13 by 24. So what we are going to do, 4, 8, 12 and 24. Let's find out the LCM with 4. 4 into 1, 4 to the 8, 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 6 is 24. Again 2, 1 and 3, and with 3 now. Now what is the LCM? 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. So our LCM is 24 here. We know that what is the LCM now. What we have to do? Let us now change the given fractions. Okay? And how we are going to do? First, I'll pick 1 by 4. To make it the denominator as 24, we have to multiply the denominator with 6. And again, if we are multiplying the denominator with a number, we have to multiply the numerator also. So this becomes 6 by 24. Next, we have 5 by 8. So 8 into 3 is 24. 5 into 3 is 24. This becomes 15 by 24. Next one, we have 7 by 12. This will be 12 into 2, 7 into 2. So 14 by 24. And in the last one, there is no change because the denominator is already 24. So this is same. These are the 4 fractions which are like. Why? Because their denominators are same now. Okay. So kids, this is how we have to do this question. Now, in the next question, again, we have to convert them into like fractions. So, I'm leaving question number 3 as a homework for you. Okay. Same thing we have to do. Find out the LCM first and then change the denominator of all the given fractions to the LCM. And while doing so, multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay. So, this we have done. This we have done. This is homework. Next, fill in the placeholders with correct symbol, greater or lesser. So kids, we know here, if we know the rules, right? And I'm repeating the rules for you, that if the denominator is same, then the number with the bigger numerator is big. Okay? If the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM first to check that which number is greater or lesser here, right? So 3 by 7 and 6 by 7, we are given 3 by 7 and 6 by 7, denominator is same, this one is greater, so this is like this. Here also these are like fraction, 11 is greater. Like fraction, 17 is greater. Like fraction, 19 is greater. 5 by 3 by 8, this is greater. Here, 11 is greater. Here, 43. And in the last one, all these are like fractions, so that is easy to find out that which one is greater. Next, coming to question number 5, we have which one is greater, 3 by 4 is greater or 3 by 5 is greater here. So kids, here also see one thing, that if we have the numerator same here, then in that case we do not have to find the LCM. Okay, so if numerator is same, then see, the fraction which has the greater denominator will be smaller. Okay, see, here we are dividing 3 into 4 parts, here we are dividing 3 into 5 parts. So if the numerator is same, so the fraction with the bigger denominator will be smaller. So 3 by 4 and 3 by 5, here 3 numerator is same, so the number which the smaller denominator will be bigger. This is greater. Okay, I'm writing here. Here also numerator is same, 8 and one is 7 by 8, one is 7 by 10. Numerator is same. So here the number, the smaller the number with the smaller denominator will be the bigger fraction. This is greater. Similarly, numerator is same, the number with the smaller denominator will be bigger fraction. Same here, right? Here also numerator is same, 7 by 10 greater. Numerator is same, 11 by 14 greater. Numerator is same, this is 26. Numerator is same, 95 is greater. Okay, so this is how we have to do question number 5. Next, 4th is done, 5th is done. 6th is we have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So kids, see here, all the numbers given to us have same numerator, and we know that if the numerator is same, then the number with the smaller denominator is the biggest one. And now we have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Okay, smallest to biggest, that means smallest fraction to biggest fraction. So let's do this. I'm picking straight away from here. So since I have to write the smallest number, that means I have to pick a fraction. I have to pick a fraction here which has the greatest denominator, which is 50 here. So 1 by 50 is the smallest. Next, after 50, we have 1 by 23. After 1 by 23, this is done. We have 1 by 17. Then we have 1 by 12. And then we have 1 by 9. The last one we have 1 by 7. Okay, so what we have done, smallest to biggest, we have arranged the fractions, because the greatest, if the numerator is same, the fraction with the greatest denominator will be smallest. Okay, so this I have done, this I am giving you as a homework, because this is also same, the numerator is same here, and we have to arrange them in ascending order. Same thing we have to do. Okay, next question, we have to arrange the fractions in descending order. Same thing but in opposite scenario. Now we have to do for descending fractions, that is highest to biggest. Okay, sorry, highest to lowest. So again, all the numerators are same, that is 2, and we have to find the fraction here such that we have to arrange them from big to small. Big to small means we have to pick the fraction which has highest value first. Okay, let's do it. So I am writing straight away 2 divided by the number which has the smallest denominator, which is 3 here. This is biggest. After that we have 2 by 7. Then we have 2 by 9. Sorry, not 9. Here I have missed 2 by 5, kids. 2 by 5, 2 by 3, 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 2 by 9, 2 by 11, and 2 by 23. Sorry, 2 by 13. This is how we have to arrange them. Okay, rest three questions are again homework. They are on same terms, same thing we have to do. The more you practice, the more you will be able to do it better. Okay, next question what we have is we have to compare the fractions. We have to find out the fractions now. Question number 12. We have 5 by 6 and 13 by 15. So first of all, we will see whether they are equivalent or not. They are not equivalent. 13 and 15, they do not have a common factor. Okay, so we cannot reduce it to simplest form. So that means they cannot be equal. Now what we have to do? We have to see if their numerator is same. No. If their denominator is same. No. So they are completely different fractions. So what we are going to do, we are going to find their LCM first to make the denominator same. LCM of 15 and 6. This is 3 into 5, 3 into 2, and then 5 with 5 and with 2 also. The LCM will be 30. Okay, and now let's change the fraction. 5 by 6, we have to multiply this with 5 to make it 30, and numerator also we will have to multiply. So we have 25 by 30 as the first fraction, and then 13 by 15. Multiply this with 2, multiply this with 2. So we will get 26 by 30. Okay, so the two fractions we have now is 25 by 30 and 26 by 30. So we see here that the denominator of both the fractions are same. So if the denominator is same, the fraction with the biggest numerator is bigger. So that means 26 by 30 is bigger, which corresponds to, this corresponds to which fraction? 13 by 15. So 13 by 15 is greater than 5 by 6. This step you have to mention in the end. This is important. Okay, so this is how we have to do these questions, and we have done many such question in the from NCERT also, right? So next, again I'm going to pick two more questions on this, and then you can take them as a homework. Okay, I am just erasing this fast. Okay, so let me do question number, okay, let me do question number 17. Okay, we have 7 by 8 and 8 by 9 which are not equivalent fraction. Nothing is similar. So what we have to do, 8 and 9, 8 and 9 do not have any common factor also. So straight away we can find out their LCM. This we know that if nothing, no factor is common, then the LCM is the product of the given number. So 9 into 8 is 72. This is the LCM. Now let's change. 8 multiply with 9, 7 multiply with 9. 7 into 9 is 63. This is 72. First fraction. Second fraction we have 8 by 9. So here we have to multiply with 7. Sorry, here we have to multiply with 8. 9 into 8 is 72. Right? And here with 8 again. 8 into 8 is 64. So these are the two fractions. We know that 64 since is greater than 63. This is a bigger fraction because denominators are same. 64 corresponds to 8 by 9. So that means 8 by 9 is greater than 7 by 8. Right? So similarly, kids, rest of the questions, these are homework for you. Okay? You have to do this. Also, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. What we have to do, we have to find their LCM first and make the denominator of all the fractions same. And then what we have to do, we have to find the number with the greatest numerator. So the number with the greatest numerator will be biggest number. Okay. So again, I'm picking one question from one part of each question here. Let me do question number 20. No. Okay. Let me do question number 21 here. Question 21 is 2 by 3 5 by 6, 7 by 9, and 11 by 18. So what we are going to do? Straight away, we are going to find the LCM. 3, 6, 9, and 18. It will be 3 into 1, 2, 3, and 3 into 6. 2, 1, 1, 3, 2 into 3, and 3 into 3 is 9, right? Let's check this again. 3, 1, 2, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 6 is 18. Now with 2, this will be 1, this is 3 and 9. Yeah, 3 into 2 is 6, 9 into 6 is 54 is the LCM. Okay, so now let's try to do these. To get 54 from 3, what we have to do? We have to multiply this. We have to multiply 3 with the number so that we will get 54 here, and that number will be 3, 18. We will get 8. We have to multiply 3 with 18. Similarly, here also we will have to multiply 2 with 18. 18 into 2 is 36. 18 into 3 is 54. This is one fraction. Second, we have 5 into 6, right? So with 6, we have to multiply with 9 here to make it 54. 9 also here. This will be 45 by 54. Next one, 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 here, what we have to do? Multiply the numerator and denominator both with 6. This will be 42 by 54. And the last fraction which is given to us is 11 by 18. So 18 into 3, here also with 3. 33 with 54. So we have these fractions now which have the denominator common, which have same denominator. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. So smallest here is 33 with 54, and then 36 by 54. Next 42 with 54 and 45 with 54. But now the main part comes. What is that? We have to write the actual fractions they are part of. So 33 by 54 we got from 11 by 18. 36 by 54 we got from 2 by 3. 42 by 54 from 7 and 9, and last one from 5 by 6. So this is smallest to biggest ascending order we have arranged. Okay, so I have picked this part and the rest 3 are homework for you. These 2, this one. Okay, similarly these descending order, till here we have to do the same things in descending, and from here instead of writing smallest to biggest we have to write biggest to smallest. So again, these questions are also for practice. The more you practice, the more you will understand that how we have to do these questions. Now let me erase this part and let us do the last question of the exercise 29, where we have to find the answers of the following. Okay, let's see. Same thing we have to do, kids. Here we have to compare and see if these are equivalent or not. Okay, so first question number 29, I'm doing first part first. Is 5 by 9 equivalent to 4 by 5? This is a question. So this cannot be reduced further, this cannot be reduced further. So they are not equal. They are equal? No. Is 4 by 5 equal to, next question, second question, is 4 by 5 equal to 12 by 15? So 12 by 15, they come in the table of 3. They has 3 common factor. Let's try to reduce this. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 5 is 15. So after simplifying 12 and 15, we get 4 and 5. So which is equivalent to the given fraction. So yes, they are equal. I'm writing yes here. Here I'm writing no. 15 by 20 and 3 by 4. Let's try to do here only. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 4 is 20. So we are getting 3 by 4, which is equivalent to 3 by 4. So yes, they are equal. Now 16 and 25, they are not coming in, they do not have any common factor simply. So answer is no. And the last one, we have 9 by 16 and 5 by 9. Here also they do not have any common factor. So the answer is no. So kids, now we know how we have to do these questions, and they are based upon the same thing. Just try to make the denominator same by using the LCM and find out the fractions, write the fractions in ascending and descending order. Okay, so here we come to the end of this class, and I will see you all in the next class now. Thank you.